Alam nyo yung alarm na alas 5 ng umaga pero ang tunay na gising mo alas 5 at 45 minuto ng umaga? Kami, mas malala pa roon. Maaga kaming gumising dahil may tour kami papuntang Shifen, Jufen Old Street at iba pang pasyalan. Siyempre bilang mga responsableng turista, nagmadali kaming maligo, magbihis at maglakad papuntang Cement Station. Habang naglalakad, para kaming contestant sa Amazing Race. Ang isang kamay may kape, ang isa may Google Maps, tapos ang puso namin nasa 120 beats per minute. May isang tanong lang kaming paulit-ulit na sinasabi, aabot pa ba tayo? Pagdating sa station, may tumatakbo, may hinihingal, at may nagdadasal na sana hindi pa umaalis ang bus. Ang bilis naming maglakad na pati mga lokal parang napaisip, may sale ba? Pero sa wakas, naabutan namin ang bus. Doon namin napatunayan na minsan hindi ka kailangan maging atleta para tumakbo. Kailangan mo lang magkaroon ng tour na mahalang bayad.
Good morning! Good morning! Yes, so ngayong araw pupunta kami sa Digo ako kasi hindi ko alam Mandarin eh. Punta kami sa Yelyu Jupe. Saan tayo pupunta? There. Punta kami sa Punta kami sa Yelyu Jupen and Shipen and Tiaoxi Coast. So maglalakad kami. Pupunta kami sa Shimen 5 station. Doon ang pick up ng tour namin kasama si Misha, yan, si Nanay. So meron pa kaming ilang minuto. Ang alis namin doon ay 10 AM. So let's go!
Coming back to me, my heart is hung up on what used to be. Time moves on and then one day ancient history. Give me just a little bit of time back, baby. Can't you see? Couldn't we just go rewind back, baby? You and me, what a shame. I think of all the years gone by, all the yesterdays for you and I. It was a flame back then, but oh my.
Tango.
When we said goodbye, give me just a little bit of time back, baby. Can't you see? Couldn't we just go rewind back ancient history? Ancient history. Ancient history.
So dito na kami. Pagod na? Good. Naligaw kasi kami. Wow.
Please keep it all the day. If you get lost, let me know. Put it here or here.
Okay.
Thank you. You're the priority one. Go for bus. Don't go away. You're the first one. Go for bus. You can choose anywhere where you want.
Any seat number?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
There's a family number. Okay.
Okay, family number go.
One for you. Hey, Sushi.
Priority family. Yes. Okay, meron na kami. Nakuha na namin yung sticker namin. Ayun. Pato may sticker mo na. Yan yung sticker mo, Misha. Ayun. Gano'n na. Ayun. So yun sila, kailangan nila kunin yung mga sticker nila dun. Hindi nila kami dumating pero priority daw. Pag may bata. Yes! Yun o, so nakapili na kami, waiting lang. Ayun o, sino yun o, Misha? Nakapili na kami. So tatlo ata yung location, tatlo yung tour guide. Kaya dapat maaga ka talaga para ma-check mo yung saan ka talaga pipila. Tsaka kung sino yung tour guide mo. Yung si Michael. Oo, Michael. And si Kevin, nandun si Kevin.
My younger daughter just eat chocolate and candy. Don't eat the meal of the normal rice or others. Okay, just eat candy.
Candy.
It's not good habit. It's not a good habit. Or maybe she's better than my daughter.
We keep on moving along. Keep on rolling.
So yan, papunta na kami sa bus. Yes. Let's go, yeah. At kitang-kita mo, ang dami namin.
Let's go.
We ain't slowing down, baby, come and show me how. Gotta do it right now, you know you gotta hold me down. Can I let the moment pass? Good things, they never last. Pull up in a whip, you know I had to hit the gas. Yeah, that's premium, pull up with a team and them. Ain't worried about the other side, they know that they ain't beating them on everything I love. Work to the man above, keep it cool, calm, collected. At this point, you get the message. Life is hectic, but we gotta keep it rolling, though. Gotta keep it grooving, keep it moving like we stole it, though. Rolling with the punches, giving hits like we are in a scope.
Okay, please go on the bus. Thank you. Everyone, sit down. Hello, everyone. Good morning. Okay, so today we all full bus. Okay, outside is a hot day, right? Okay, so today because we will go to visit many beautiful place, and I think we decide let us play for fun, play very well, right? Okay, so it doesn't matter outside hot day or raining day. We still will want to play for fun, right? Okay, let's go! Yeah!
Punching in, I'm independent though. Staying prayed up, ain't nothing gon' phase us. Ain't never gon' let a lame say what they just made up. I never take a pay cut, we getting what we worth in. I never change the blueprint cause we know it's really working.
Keep on moving.
Moving,
We keep on moving along.
keep it moving, keep it
rolling.
rolling.
No, we ain't slowing it down.
Never slowing down,
Keep
never
on moving.
moving.
We keep on moving along.
keep it moving, keep
on
it
rolling.
Rolling,
No, we ain't
keep it rolling, keep it
slowing
moving.
it
We ain't
down.
never gon' lose it. Cause we in it for the movement. If I'm lying, then I'm flying. Don't play into their amusement. If we trying, we ain't dying. Never sleep, never. Never sleep, never. The moment that you rest your head, they think they can't compete. If you gotta skip steps, then the plan is not complete. Get your reps in, get your reps in, get your. Never rest on a past success. You gotta love what you do if you tryna be the best.
Keep on moving.
Moving,
We keep on moving along.
keep it moving, keep it
rolling.
rolling.
No, we ain't slowing it down.
Never slowing down,
Keep
never
on moving.
moving.
We keep on moving
Keep it
along.
moving, keep it moving, keep it
rolling.
rolling. Keep it rolling, keep it moving. We ain't never gonna lose it.
Insert the rice, okay, and the barbecue. Oh, very delicious. But if you want, I have to order first because when you arrive at today we will go to Shifen Old Street. When we go to the Shifen Old Street, then you just want to order, that will be too late. We don't have time to wait it. Yes, so the chicken wing, one of the chicken wing.
My mind keeps drifting into memory. Something long gone keeps on coming back to me. My heart is hung up on what used to be. Time moves on, and then one day ancient history. Maybe just a little bit of time back, baby. Can't you see? Couldn't we just go rewind back, baby? You and me. What a shame. I think of all the years gone by, all the yesterdays. For you and I, it was a flame back then. But oh my, some
scope ko. Scope ka din. Manipis na. Isa.
At habang papunta sa Shaifen at Jufen, napagtanto namin na minsan ang pinakanakakatawang bahagi ng biyahe ay hindi ang destinasyon, kundi ang mga eksenang pinagdadaanan bago makarating doon.
Racer here.
Ganda. Tapos may mata ni Pete. Yung longgo po. Longgo po.
Michael's bread. Turn left. Get down the stair.
Ayaw pala yun.
If you want to go to the place head, want to follow me. Here I am.
Okay. You go first.
Go. I help you to find a ticket. Yeah. Okay, Michael's friend. You can follow me.
Follow you.
Okay, then I will help you to take a picture.
Thank you, my friend.
Okay. The bus stop there. That's meaning you have the run. Okay. Now we stop. Right hand side you can see. This is. And this is the fusio. Fusio. Oh. If you eat the sashimi, this is the uni, Japanese food. Sashimi, this is uni. Uni fusio, like a flower. Okay, this is fusio. So you can take a picture, but do not step. Do not touch it. Okay, protect it. Your kids, your grandkid, come here. Then also can see that. Okay, come this way. Hey, 大哥你好。
Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Nice. Thank you. Yeah, you're welcome. Yeah.
Okay. Stand by me. You can see many rocks. Okay. Just on my side, huh? Okay. From here, the right hand side to the left hand side. The first one rock. This is a beetle rock. Beetle. Beetle's head into the water. This is beetle body. Okay. Just stand on my side. You can see the monster look like. Okay. Second one. This is candle rock. Like a candle. Okay. In the night, if you lighting, okay, candle will bright in the night. After that is the earth stone, the round one like a ball, earth stone. After that is the fairy shoes, slipper. Okay, slipper. Fairy shoes, like that one, slipper. Fairy shoes, fairy shoes. Yeah, like that. Fairy shoes. After that is the crocodile. Hey, crocodile. If crocodile you don't understand, someone will go, oh, that coaster. Crocodile. Hey, crocodile. Then after that, left hand side you see the elephant. Elephant into the water. Okay. Then after that, come this way. Okay, Michael's going to come this way. Yeah. Alright, please also follow me. Okay. This rock, people say, look like a food. Alright. Anyone want to guess it?
Ice cream.
Ice cream. More and another. If you want more like ice cream, the don't one have the more like ice cream. Bread, yes. What kind of bread?
Cupcake.
Pineapple bread.
Pineapple.
Like pineapple bread. 菠萝面包 pineapple bread. Someone will say like a hamburger. The original people say like a pineapple bread. Okay. To see the rocks, you have to use your eyes and your imagination, your creative. Okay. This is the pineapple bread. Okay, come this way. Now to here. If you want to take in picture, Michael's friend, if you want to take in picture with the queen's head, prepare your cell phone. Every family, I help you, give you 3 shots, okay? You thinking what pose you want to be. Then I will be taking picture for you. Prepare your cell phone. Okay, come this way. More safety. Then stand there. Give me your cell phone and then stand there.
My friend. Thank
Okay,
you, my
now.
friend.
Okay.
Dito na tayo sa Geopark. So nakapag-experience na tayo ng mga scenery dito. Nakita na natin yung Queen's Head. Yan o. Kita nyo. Ganda.
谢谢，安琪啊，谢谢你，小心。好了好了。
Smile. Just right. Smile. Hello. Kamusta yung bubble tea?
No?
Lemon juice?
Sarap naman.
Sarap. Let's go. Now, go.
Storms on the roof, secrets whispered, bulletproof. We build worlds out of steel. Now they're ruins of something we feel. It's so nice to get away, just for a moment, just for a day. We can drive past the sign.
So, andito na kami sa Nation Station. Yun, nasa yun yung dagat. Ayun yung ano, bus namin. Yung pila nila, nauna kami. Okay. So, kita-kits tayo ulit mamaya sa Old Street.
Flowers will bloom and cover the streets. No one forget what's beneath the concrete. It's coming through the cracks and through the concrete. Bends all night, break the concrete. Flowers will bloom and cover the streets. Today is a beautiful day. Why would anyone take that away? Can we stay? Let's just stay. It's a beautiful, wonderful day. We rode our bikes down broken streets. We chased the sun.
This way, come. Okay, this way. Okay. Microphone, press for real.
Pero bago ang lahat, may isang importanteng misyon. Hindi ang bus, hindi ang tour, kundi ang chicken ni Michael. Dahil sa grupo, may isang taong kahit malate na sa bus, basta hindi malate ang chicken order. Si Michael ay may dalawang priorities sa buhay. Una, pagkain. Pangalawa, mas maraming pagkain. Habang kaming lahat ay nag-aalala sa bus, si Michael naman ay nag-aalala kung crispy pa ba ang chicken.
Dali, lunch natin.
Ice cream first. Okay.
Oh.
For you, ice cream. Yeah. Okay, for you. Eating this first because we're melting. And I give you a bag for the chicken wing.
Chicken wings.
Okay. I give you a bag. You can handle. Yeah. You take it, and then you can take a look and take a picture. Okay.
Okay.
Here is no bun. Big bite. Very enjoy it. Okay.
Shisha.
Peanut butter.
Yummy, huh?
Yummy.
Okay. And there's some visitor just asking the red lady asking me where to buy it. I say no. I'm just booking for my member. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Michael.
Okay, take a look. 在上厕所，在上厕所。
Yummy.
Ice cream! Na nakabalot siya sa wrap. Parang
Chicken.
wrap ng ano to?
Lunch namin yung chicken, yung kru. Lamig. ang gusto ko sa milk.
Parang milaw, no?
Oo. Parang glitters. Doon tayo sa dulo. Kain tayo. Kain tayo. Look. Chicken. Burp, 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 burp.
Meron nga din yun na nakasabit sa ano. Nakasabit sa
Mm.
poste. Yummy!
Yummy.
Nisha is still eating ice cream.
Hindi lang ako.
Malamig, no?
Sausage yan?
Hindi.
Cooking.
Chicken wings.
Ano ba yung sausage yan? Ang taba.
At matapos ang matinding paglalakad at paghabol sa bus, may isang bagay na nakapagpahinto sa amin. Ang sikat na hotdog na ito sa Taiwan. Sabi nila, ito raw ang isa sa pinakamasarap na hotdog sa street na ito. At bilang mga responsableng turista, syempre kailangan naming i-verify.
Oh. 1,450. Siga. Ipay 2.
Warning, mainit pa ang hotdog. Pero dahil sa gutom, ang desisyon namin ay simple lang, bahala na si Dila. Hindi pa nga lumalamig, kinagat na agad namin. Resulta, napaso ang dila pero napasaya ang puso. May mga tao na hinihintay munang lumamig ang pagkain, kami? Hinihintay lang naming matapos ang video bago mapaso ng tuluyan. Sa unang kagat, napapikit kami. Hindi dahil sa sobrang sarap lang, kundi dahil sobrang init din. Pero doon namin napatunayan na ang tunay na sukatan ng sarap ay kapag alam mong mainit pa, pero kakagatin mo pa rin. Sa Taiwan, hindi lang pala tanawin ang dapat subukan. Minsan, isang mainit na hotdog lang ang kailangan para maging mas masarap ang biyahe, kahit mawalan ka muna ng panlasa sa unang kagat.
Blow mo. Pabalik na kami ng bus. Wait.
We can get her here. Okay? Here. So waiting. When you come.
At syempre, hindi mawawala ang pinakamakulit na miyembro ng grupo, si Michael. Sabi ni Michael, tawid na tayo doon. Hindi na namin alam kung shortcut ba yon o gusto na lang talaga niyang makauwi. Sa bagay, buong araw ba naman niya kaming kasama. Mula sa paghabol sa bus, mahabang lakaran, at walang katapusang picturean, baka low battery na rin ang social energy niya. Habang kaming lahat ay enjoy pa, si Michael parang naka-power saving mode na. Ang misyon niya ngayon, makatawid at makapagpahinga. Pero kahit pagod na, game pa rin si Michael sa kalokohan at tawanan. Kaya minsan hindi mo alam kung tour guide ba siya, navigator, o pagod na kasama na gusto nang umuwi.
Ano sa Taiwan? Smile naman. Smile na. Where's the...
Ano ba talaga yung Taiwan? Nakakatabang.
Pero kayang bumaba no?
Nang.
Mataas yung pakulo.
Bus. Yes. Oh, thank you. Yes, sir.
Mainit naman. What's going on?
The car is coming. Be careful. Walk on the left-hand side. Thank you. The bus is coming. Walk near the left-hand side. Be careful. The bus is coming up.
Martin dapat view. Martin Baguio City na kayo.
Talking is like you're...
Sakit na.
Sakit ha?
Hindi yung
Edge.
uncle. Tito.
Pareho tayo.
Yung tito ko. Yung tito.
Ako dito. Ako.
Sa loob ng points.
BDO. BDU.
Saan ba kasi? Ba't kasi hindi tayo bumaba?
Baka hindi na kaya walang parking. Doon mag-post ng traffic pag natagalan. Or walang U-turn.
Oo nga, parang ano t-shirt.
Ano sabi mo? Bakit?
Sabi niya, masarap daw dito. Siyempre bilang mabubuting kaibigan, hindi na kami nagtanong. Tumikim na agad kaming tatlo bago pa dumami ang tao at bago maubos ang libreng tikim. Unang kagat pa lang, alam na naming sulit ang paglalakad. Ang daming tao, ang daming pwedeng bilhin. Ang plano naming tumingin lang ay mabilis na naging kuha na rin tayo ng isa.
Michael's friend, welcome this way. Okay, Michael's friend, here is the 幸福堂 bubble tea, huh? If you want to buy the bubble tea, it's the same like the Ximending. Oh, show the router, Michael. You can get $5 free, okay? Oh, you just can use here. Go back to Ximending, you cannot use it, okay?
Okay.
Oh, but you will pay 5 块钱, okay? Keep going. When you come back, then you can use it. This is 幸福堂, okay? After that, come this way. Hello, 你好, okay? Come here to try. This is the new ga cookie, 嘉宾, the best quality of the street, 嘉宾 new ga cookie. This is the coffee flavor, is the best sales. Beside that, have the mocha, strawberry, brown sugar, others. If you want to try, here or you can try. Okay? Also the same. The same way same way back. When you come back, don't forget the Japanese. You take this cookie. One box 180. Buy 3, get 40 Taiwan dollars free. Okay? You buy more, cheaper more. Okay? Okay, Michael's friend, come this way. This is Japanese. Oh, you can try.
Green.
Okay, when you come back, then you want to buy, then you buy. Okay, don't forget Japanese, Okay, show the stick. Okay, 回来再买，帮你要拿很多东西哦。Okay, you come this way. Hello, this is the Taiwan high mountain tea, oolong tea. If you want to try the good quality of the tea, this is very quite good quality. Have a seat. Have a tea, please. You can try the tea. Yeah. Have a cup of tea. This is in Taiwan culture. We call it 奉茶. If you need, you just take the tea and then you just say 谢谢. 谢谢. Thank you. Okay. If you want to try the tea, don't forget this is the 高丽照. You can come back. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. If you want to the tea, you can have a cup of tea. If you like it, good quality of the Taiwan tea. Okay. 高丽照. Okay. Then right hand side. I see the boss, the handsome boss. Hello, girls. Okay. Hello. This is the handsome man. You see, very handsome. Handsome boss.
不要吃了，不要。谢谢。
Ito yung ano, yung design sa card ko. Thank you, nanay. Yan, yan, no, yan. Ganyan yan, no?
Ay, tatay. Yung haba ng susukat. Ay, aso. Tunay ba yun yung aso?
Hindi, hindi. Oo nga, no? Galing. Airport.
Pero yung may damit. May damit na ako.
Oh.
Where are you from? Switzerland. What?
Hindi, hindi mga model ito. Tunay. Magaling.
Dami magaganda.
Yan ata yung puro ano, puro tayo. Bakit ka naman?
Oh,
Yay!
yeah.
Thank you!
Share.
Thank you, thank you!
Ow, ow.
Ah. Go. Stop, no? Kain tayo ng buto.
Mura kaya.
Yummy.
Ano, watermelon. Try natin. Opo.
Okay. Kami lang watermelon. Kagat na kuya.
Oo.
Punching in, I'm independent though. Staying prayed up, ain't nothing gon' phase us. Ain't never gon' let a lame say what they just made up. I never take a pay cut, we getting what we worth in. I never change the blueprint cause we know it's really working. Moving,